Hello, my name is Bryce, and this is my team's robot for the FLL competition. We have a tread in the front that you can connect different attachments for. So we have a temporary forklift here, and then we're going to build a basket in the back to hold the ball and throw it over. Then we have two color sensors, one to track the line and one that's looking for a different color to stop the line following. Then here at the wheels, we have two gears to increase the torque of the motor, and we have the medium motor on the side, so we can use these two gears to give power to this wheel. And then we have a caster wheel in the back.
You want to turn around so your teammates can see details of the different parts?
So you can see the two gears here, the color sensors, and the caster wheel in the back.
Okay, how about a quick demonstration?
And then if you put your finger here, it doesn't. The gears are meshed enough to not skip teeth in the gears.
Okay, anything else you want to tell your teammates for the week?